video, we're going to be taking a look at render array, prefix and suffix properties. In a preprocess function, we'll see how we may add stuff before some element and after an element. So here we have a Drupal instance installed, and inside of a node, we're going to inspect the structure of the renderable array of the node, and we're going to see the content subarray, and inside of the content subarray we're going to see all the fields as renderable arrays. And for example, for the body field, we're going to add some stuff before and after it. So we have a custom theme here, and we're going to create a new file called the name of the theme.theme, and here we're going to be writing PHP, and we're going to basically define here our preprocess and hook functions. And for our example, we're going to define a function called the name of our theme, preprocess node, and we're going to pass here a variable called variables, and we're going to pass it by reference. So here we say implements hook preprocess node. Perfect. And we're going to use the Kint as we have the devel module installed. We have also the Kint installed together with it, and we're going to use the Kint here in order to see the content of the variables array. So we say Kint variables, and we're going to clear the cache, and we're going to see the output of the Kint. And we see that inside of the node renderable array, we also have the content, and inside of the content we have the main fields of the node, and here we have also the body. So let's go ahead and inside of the variables and inside of the content and body, let's go ahead and define a property called prefix. And for a prefix, we're going to see here some random text. So let's say mark makes, and if we remove here the Kint, and if we refresh and clear the cache, we should get the output that we just added before the main text. Here we go, before the main text. This is the main text. Here we have the text that we just added. It's saying mark makes. And let's go ahead and add something just after the main body text. So here we're going to say variables, content, we're saying again body, but this time we're going to say suffix, and for suffix let's say Darren Deus. And as we save and as we clear the cache, we should get the new output here just after the main text. So Sheena leads, Shiva needs, Darren Deus. That's perfect. So if you like this video, please check the links in the description, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.